Global warming did not happen overnight. It's not a natural disaster. It's a human-made disaster. And the root of it is a one simple word: greed.
Blaming human greed alone oversimplifies a global issue. Global warming is a complex scientific problem, not just a moral one. Yes, human actions contribute to it, but politics greed ignores the real factors. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "The earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed." And it is this greed, our endless hunger for more, that is choking our planet. People want bigger homes, more cars, and more luxuries, even when nature pays the price.
One major cause of global warming is population growth. As more people are born, we need more food, homes, electricity, and transport. These are the basic needs, not signs of greed. It is a long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature, primarily caused by human activities that releases heat-trapping greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and methane into the atmosphere. Earlier, the greenhouse effect was beneficial for the Earth as it kept it warm at night, preventing it from freezing. But now, the greenhouse effect is making the Earth hotter day by day, and 100% sure that human greed is not responsible for the global warming. Few people and their opinion members blame that industrial development is the main cause of the global warming. Friends, I know that some of the industries release some amount of greenhouse gases, but not all the industries, and it is not greed for which industries are being developed. You all know that it gives us the basic needed things for living, like electricity, medicine, technology, and job to the people.
India has lost lakhs of trees just in the last decade. Without trees, the earth loses its natural cooling system. The last 10 years have been the hottest year ever recorded in the human history. Even the small rise of 0.3 degrees Celsius has melted glaciers, raised the sea level, and harmed animals like polar bear and sea turtles. Scientists say that 90% of this warming is caused by humans, not volcanoes, not oceans, not nature, only humans.
Pollution. Yes, we make the temperature rise faster, but we are not the main cause of global warming. The sun energy changes, oceans release methane, wetlands create greenhouse gases, volcanoes release more gas in one blast than many factories release in years. So, before blaming human greed for everything, remember this: climate change existed even when human didn't. The nature has always controlled the biggest shifts.
Just here to understand where the youth is going, the kind of energy you all are having, the kind of enthusiasm with the children, extraordinary, and happy to the teachers who are always saying that they are actually the creators of the future.
Frankly speaking, it was the efforts of the teacher, but all our children, though the directions were completely from the side of the teachers, but they all have given their 100% in working with this. Even today, our kids after school didn't follow this.